So today I'm in a lovely skate park, scouting out the place before our model arrives, and then we're going to do lots of photographs, and I'm going to take you on the journey with me. So the plan is, I have micro four thirds, of course. Martin has his full frame Nikon, and I thought it might be fun to have a little shoot off. So every location that we have, we'll each pick our favourite photographs, and then you guys can decide who wins. Down this bit, I was thinking if we could get you, if it's dry and not going to ruin it, yeah, sort of lean against the curve of the wall. I'm going to ignore the drizzle and I'm going to try the prism somehow. I've got a cracking vision of you in the prism then. So, are we thinking on the blue side or the crazy colour side?
I want crazy colours.
Okay. Oh, how cold it was!
Oh, sorry!
So we've done some negative space using the graffiti on the wall, and now we're going to try and shoot low and get all the building in, and I've swapped to my very wide 9-18 for this. So we have puddles. We're going to use the puddles to our advantage. Do you want to sit on that? Then you might feel a little bit less terrified.
Yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Emily, I'm getting this all on video.
Things I do, yeah.
You don't need to be doing the hip action as well.
It's the only way to get that shot.
No, that's good. No.
Hello! Why have we stopped?
I don't know where we're going, is it not
Right.
there?
Why did you take the lead? Could you?
I got in the wrong lane! And then it all went
That guy was a dick. Did you see what he did to me? No. I flashed him with my full beams. He just went out the window.
Oh.
Right.
I nearly killed us on that island.
What? No, you were fine. Oh yeah, you did. Sorry. Yeah.